In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Meta Business Suite. Now, an important thing to understand right from the start is that Meta Business Suite doesn't have its own separate password. Instead, it uses the password from the personal Facebook account that's linked to it. So to change your Meta Business Suite password, you're actually changing the password for that connected Facebook profile through Meta's Account Center. First, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Log into the personal Facebook account that is connected to your Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're using the correct profile because the password you change here is the one that controls access to your business tools. Once you're logged in, look for the main menu in the top right corner of the page. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook keeps most of the options related to how your account works, including security. Next, click on Settings. This will open a new page with a sidebar of different categories. Instead of changing anything here directly, you're going to move into Meta's central hub for managing connected accounts. On the Settings page, look for the option called Account Center and click on it. Account Center is where Facebook, Instagram, and other Meta services can be managed together, especially for things like login details, passwords, and security. Inside Account Center, find and click on Password and Security. This section is dedicated to protecting your account, so you'll see options related to login, alerts, and of course, changing your password. Now click on Change Password. If you manage or have access to more than one profile, Meta may show you a list. From that list, select the profile that is associated with your Meta Business Suite. That ensures you're updating the correct login details. You'll now see 3 fields. In the first field, type your current Facebook password. In the second field, enter your new password. Aim for something strong, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that you don't use on other sites. In the third field, retype the same new password to confirm it, making sure there are no typing errors. When all 3 fields are correctly filled out, click on Change Password. After this, your Meta Business Suite will automatically use this new password the next time you log in.